गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स। लास्ट क्लास में हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया था अबाउट इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल, दैट व्हेन टू इक्वल in magnitude but opposite in nature charges are placed such that the distance between these two charges are very small, and this is the origin point, this is the center point of this length L. Then this kind of arrangement is known as electric dipole, and the quantity by which the strength of the electric dipole is measured is known as dipole moment. Dipole moment is represented by P. This dipole moment is a vector quantity, and the direction of the vector quantity is always from minus q to plus q charge. Why? The reason I also give to you in last lecture, that dipole moment is due to the external electric field that applied. Because of this dipole arrangement created, and as every effect oppose its cause, so that's why it opposes the electric field, and electric field direction is always from plus q charge to negative charge. That's why the dipole moment is in opposite direction of this electric field, that means from minus q to plus q. And the formula for the dipole moment is the magnitude of any one of the charge, that is q, into the length between these two charges, that is L. So dipole moment equals to P equals to q into L. If you take this length as 2L, then the formula will be P equals to Q into 2L. So here L is the length, whatever the length is, right? So this is all about electric dipole and dipole moment. We have discussed it in last class. Now today's topic is how we determine the electric field intensity due to an electric dipole. Okay, that means if there is a dipole arrangement plus q minus q and the length is 2L, this is the origin point. So due to this, how we measure the electric field intensity due to this? So let's start. Electric field intensity due to electric dipole. To derive the electric field intensity due to electric dipole, let's see two arrangement. Okay, first of all, draw electric dipole arrangement. We know that the distance between these two charges is very small. L is tends to 0, very small distance, right? Now to determine the electric field intensity due to this arrangement or due to this electric dipole, we can take 2 points. Either if you want to determine the electric field intensity over here, P, this is the axial line along the axis. And what if you want to determine the electric field intensity due to this electric dipole over this point P? This is equatorial. This is equatorial line, right? So for two cases we will see how much the electric field intensity at the axial line or at the equatorial line. So first heading is at a point on axial line. You want to determine the electric field intensity at a point which is along the axis of the electric dipole. So for this, let's draw electric dipole arrangement. This is minus q charge, this is plus q charge, this is point A, this is point B, and the length in between these 2 point charges are 2L. So that this is the center point O, right? And from this center, this length is L, as it equally separate the 2 point charges. So this is L and L. The total distance is 2L. Now what you want to calculate is at point P, what will be the electric field intensity, right? So as we know that plus q charge always radially outward the electric field lines. So due to this plus q charge, the electric field intensity at this point will be in this direction, radially outward away from this, right? So this is, if this is point B, then this is electric field B due to this plus q charge. And we also know that the negative charge always radially invert the electric field lines. So due to this minus q charge, the electric field intensity will be in this direction, radially inward. Okay, so due to the point A, electric field line will be EA. So at point P, the net electric field will be E equals to EA plus EB. EA plus EB, but EA is in this direction, EB is in this direction, so we can write it as EB minus EA. So it will become EB minus EA, or EA minus EB also. You can do whatever you want to do, EB minus EA or EA minus EB. If EB is larger, then you will get positive result here, and if EB is smaller, then you will get negative result here. So electric field, net electric field will be EA plus EB, but these are opposite in nature. That's why EA minus EB or EB minus EA, whatever will be the answer, only the sign will get changed, positive or negative. So now let's calculate the electric field intensity for this arrangement. This is minus Q, this is plus Q. This is point P. Over here you want to determine the electric field intensity. This is point A, this is point B, this is the center point. The total length is 2L, so the length will be L and L. Let's suppose this point P is x distance away from this center point, right? If the point P is x distance away from the center point, then this distance will be this minus this. This distance will be this minus this. This is what L, and this is what x. So this distance will be x minus L, right? And from this point to this point, from this point to this point, length will be, this total length will be this distance, sorry, this distance plus this distance. Okay, this total length will be this plus this. This is your L, this is your x. So for this, the total length is x plus L, right? So for the minus q, the distance of the point P is x plus L, and for the plus q, the distance for the point P is x minus L. Now you want to calculate the total electric field at point P. Due to this plus q charge, it is away from the charge, plus charge, so electric field will be EB in this direction, and for the negative charge, it is towards the negative charge. So towards the negative charge due to the point A, so it will be EA. Now from the definition of electric field intensity, is kq upon r square, kq upon r square. So here q is what? Q only. R square, r is the distance is x plus L square. Equation number 1. For EB, applying the same formula, kq upon r square, so it is kq upon x minus L square. Equation number 2. Now what we know, that the net electric field intensity is EA plus EB, but EA and EB are opposite in nature, opposite in direction. That's why it will become EB minus EA. Why I am doing EB minus EA, not EA minus EB? Because as the distance is less, electric field will be higher. So for the case this distance is smaller, that means x minus L is smaller, that's why EB is greater, and as compared to this, x plus L is greater, so EA will be smaller. So we will always try to subtract larger minus smaller value. That's why I am doing EB minus EA, right? Now by putting the values from equation 1 and 2, AB is kq upon x minus L square minus EA is kq upon x plus L square. Kq we will take common, it will become x minus L square, x plus L square. Solving this, we will get, this is x plus L square minus x minus L square. This is what? x minus L square into x plus L square. Now as we know a minus b into a plus b equals to a square minus b square, right? So this is a minus b, this is a plus b, so it will become a square minus b square, but here square also take place. That's why it will become x minus L whole square, right? This is a minus b, this is a plus b, so it will become a square minus b square, but square is already there, that's why we will put square here, right? So we can write it as kq upon x square minus L square the whole square. After solving this, we will get x plus L square, x square plus L square plus 2xl. X minus L whole square is x square plus L square minus 2xl. This is minus x square get cancelled, L square get cancelled. This is 2xl, this is minus minus plus. So we will get kq 2xl 4xl upon x square minus L square whole square, right? Now by taking q inside, we will get 4qxl upon x square minus L square whole square, right? Now by the formula of dipole moment, it is q into distance, and distance is what? Distance is 2l. Okay, so by taking 2l from here, we will get, this is 2l, this 4 is divided into 2 into 2, right? So 1 2 is used with this L, that's why we can replace it as dipole moment. So that's why it will become k 2 into L 2L, this is q, we will write it as p 1 2 remaining into x, 2 2 2 with this 2, this is x, right? This, okay, so we will get finally x square minus L square the whole square. That's how we will get E net equals to k into p into 2x x square minus L square whole square. But we know the fact that the distance of this dipole moment arrangement, electric dipole arrangement, is very less. That's why L is very less than x. Why? Because I initially told you that electric dipole having length L is very less, tends to 0. Okay, so by considering this fact, L is very less than x, we can ignore this L, so we can write it as k into p into 2x x square whole square. It will become x raised to power 4, 1x cancel, it will become kp into 2x cube. So net electric field for the axial arrangement will be 2 kp upon x cube. If you want to take the direction, then vector form of electric field will be 2k vector p upon x cube, where p's direction is from minus q charge to plus q charge. So this will be the net electric field if you consider the axial arrangement of electric dipole at point P.